Now we will learn to read more words with long vowel sounds and short vowel sounds. Let's take a look at the first board. C-A-R-E. C-A-R. And remember, letter E is silent. Care. Care has a long vowel sound. Let's take a look at the next board. C-A-R. C-A-R. Car. Car has a short vowel sound. Let's turn to the next slide. Letter A. These are the words that begin with letter A. A says A as an alligator. Where's the alligator? Alligator begins with short vowel sound. A says A as an angel. Where's the angel? Angel begins with long vowel sound. A says A as an at. Where's the at? And begins with short vowel sound. A says A as in apron. Where is the apron? Apron begins with long vowel sound. A says A as an astronaut. Where's the astronaut? Astronaut begins with short vowel sound. A says A as an acorn. Where's the acorn? Acorn begins with long vowel sound. I utilize the learning and teaching skills of letter sound recognition. Letters were pointed out so that the learners will visually recognize the letters of the alphabet. This will help them master the letter names and will make it easier for beginning readers and English learners to learn the letter sounds. It will make it easier for them to figure out that when letters and its corresponding sounds are put together into words, it becomes a spoken language. This is the end of my lesson. Thank you for watching my channel. Do not forget to subscribe and follow my next lesson. High five. Great job. Thumbs up.